TaskRabbit gives workers control over their hourly rates, while Handy usually assigns fixed pricing for jobs. That one difference decides how much flexibility and money you can actually make. By the end of this, you'll know which app pays better, which one is easier to use, and which fits your work style. Here's the short answer. TaskRabbit is better for flexibility. Handy is better for consistent home service jobs. That's the real split. Start with TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit lets you choose your categories, set your rates, and decide your schedule. That means you control the business more. If you do furniture assembly, moving, mounting, or handyman work, you can adjust pricing based on demand. A worker charging $40 an hour can raise rates after getting more reviews. That creates growth. TaskRabbit also lets clients contact you directly for repeat work. That matters because repeat clients reduce the time you spend finding new jobs. Now, Handy. Handy is more focused. It mainly covers cleaning and furniture assembly. That makes it simpler. The app pushes available jobs to you and you accept them. You don't build gigs or optimize profiles the same way. That means less setup. But it also means less control. Pricing is usually fixed by the platform. If a cleaning job pays $60 and takes 3 hours, your effective rate is already decided. That can be limiting. Now, reliability. Handy often gives more structured work because it partners with larger retailers for assembly services. That can mean steadier bookings. TaskRabbit depends more on local demand and your reviews. In busy cities, TaskRabbit usually wins. In smaller markets, Handy can feel more stable. Now, fees. Both platforms take cuts from client payments. That affects your final earnings. The key difference is how much control you have over raising your value. TaskRabbit gives you more room to scale. So which is better? Choose TaskRabbit if you want to build a local freelance business and control pricing. Choose Handy if you want a simpler setup and don't mind fixed jobs. A lot of people make the mistake of joining both and spreading themselves thin. That slows down reviews and ranking. It's usually better to focus on one first. Quick recap. TaskRabbit gives more freedom and better long-term growth. Handy gives simpler, more structured work. Your next step is simple. Choose based on whether you want flexibility or consistency. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more side hustle platform comparisons.